Hey everybody, welcome to the show. My name's Joe, and I finally got Unreal installed. I don't know why, I don't know how. I thought they had banned me for 60 years, remember? So the last time I've been into this is a very long time. Because the last time I tried to get into it, they didn't want me around. They stole all my stuff, pretended I was the guy stealing my stuff, and put something up in the forum to the effect of, we at Ravensoft take the issue of copyright infringement very seriously. Did Ravensoft post that message? No, they did not. This was a intentional assassination of a developer. Me. I'm a developer. But they won't let me develop. Why? Well, jealousy has a lot to do with it. What else has a lot to do with it, Joe? Just a minute. The mafia and their racketeering has a lot to do with it. You see, they don't want me around because I am the biggest and the best. And they want to knock me over like Weeble wobbles. But this Weeble can wobble and not fall down. You feel me? So let me turn off these effects, and we have a nice clear signal now. And I just hope and pray that what happened to me before does not happen again. I am a serious businessman. There is no reason for me to steal anything. I can take a product, give it away for free, and make $1 million. That's my new business model. Just because you don't agree with my business dealings does not give you the license. I'm not talking to One Gun at all. One Gun didn't do all that. No, One Gun just exposed a hole in my security, and he exposed all the pirates. He exposed Realusion, who is using their entire user base as fences to steal and sell. And now that's gone over to UE. Okay, so when you open up UE and you click the Fab store, you see lots and lots of Rubu stuff. There should not be any Rubu stuff in there. I'm not saying there's Truebones in there. Yeah, there are Truebones too. Basically what it is desperation and jealousy, and they're going to take the content that you can download for free anyways, and they're going to put it in these stores. And you know they're not supposed to, but they turn a blind eye, not me. I don't turn a blind eye. It's them that turn a blind eye to all this, and they don't care. They don't care whose content is whose. No, just kick him out, bug his mom, keep him tied up for years and years and years. But that's all over now. I'm still here. Not a lot of people like me on YouTube. It's okay. I'm on Twitch and X and everything else. If you want to watch me here, you can watch me here. If you want to watch me there, you can watch me there. If you don't want to watch me, just press that button and get the heck out of here. Because if you don't want me, I don't want you. I didn't make you change the channel. All right, so let's get with it and start to show you something. All right. We're going to try to import a motion into UE. All right. Which motion? I don't know. Let's select one, please. This one's called Guns. And the whole point of this is to get it into Unreal Engine. And that should be pretty darn easy. Okay? So let's take these gun motions and go poof. Okay? Just a second. We're going to put the sound on. Now, our motions come with sounds. Not this one, but most of our motions come with sound. Nobody sells motions with sound. All right. So here we're going to take this one motion and we're going to put it in Unreal. I guarantee you there's not going to be any problems. Okay? Once I'm done, just a minute. I'm preparing it. Preparing it for consumption. Do the yellow skeleton, which is the AI NVIDIA part. You see those yellow bones? That's gold. Oh God, that looks so good. Okay, so first we're going to put it right onto a UE rig with no no retargeting. No retargeting needed. Okay, so let's go ahead and finish this real quick. God, that looks so good, man. Oh my God, dude, look at that. Oh. Woof. That's dope. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and we are going to refine it. And that's very fast. What it's doing is it's just putting in more keyframes in between the tweens to make it come alive with more fidelity. All right, so now we're going to open up our, well, just a minute. We're going to open up UE5 and put that motion in there, in their engine. Okay, so this motion is called, here, I'll do the soundtrack. Be careful in there, Harry. You don't know what's in there. Hey, FBI! Come on with your hands up! Yo! Yo! Look at this. Hey. That looks pretty good. You know what I'm saying? So now we're going to take this and it's going straight into UE, okay? We're going to bake it into a file right now. We're going to make it a export animation, Autodesk FBX to the desk, and it's going to be called Guns Take One. Boom. We're not going to loop the animation, but we're going to put a T-pose on the first frame for sure. Okay? Now, center coordinate system. No, don't have to center the coordinate system. All right, so we're going to look at that file right now in Windows 10. because it should be native to Windows 10, and yes, it is. It's native to Windows 10, and it's native to Unreal. So how do we put this in Unreal? I'll show you. Poof. Poof. Did you know that's a 5/4 beat? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Anyways, that looks really good. Actually, that looks just like freaking James Bond, bro. All right, so this is the first time I've ever opened up Unreal Engine, okay? So give me a break, right? Here it goes. Project files are not associated. Yes. Okay. Do you want... Yes. Okay, Unreal Engine. Okay. Launch. Look, I'm going to press the launch button. Boom. Here we go. Here we go. Hey. Pretty wild. Wait a minute. Launching. Here we go. Come on, man. Ooh, I'm excited. Yes, this looks cool. Oh, man. It's going. Hey. Yeah, so I just wanted everybody to know it wasn't One Gun that screwed me up. It wasn't. It really wasn't. Although he pretended that he was, he wasn't. Okay? It wasn't him that screwed up my Unity account, and it wasn't him that screwed up my Unreal account. It was some racketeers. Okay? It was racketeers that took my stuff down. Okay? Because they couldn't handle me. All right, let's go with a blank project, right? All right. We're creating a blank project, okay? The project file already exists. Okay. I didn't try to overwrite it. We're using the editor 5.61. Man, it takes a while. Well, I guess it has to compile all the shaders the first time, and hopefully it's not this slow all the time. My goodness. Woo, is that slow. I was compiling shaders, Joe. What happened here? Oh, it's not slow. You didn't give it access. There it goes, I think. Yeah. My goodness. Might have to clear some space. A blank, clean, empty project with no code. Yeah, that's what I'm wanting. No blueprints, no nothing, just a HDRI world with shadows and light. Right? Right? Am I right? God dang, it's compiling thousands of freaking shaders, bro. Be right back. Okay, I'm back, and I really don't know what I'm looking at here. I guess this is just a sample scene, right? How does this work, Joe? Joe, how do you... Okay, so what I'm going to do, and I don't know... Oh, content drawer. Yeah, that's... I want the content drawer. You know what I'm saying? But let's try to drag the file I just made. It's right there. Into it. Just drag it into the window and see what happens. Boom. Nothing. Drag it into the content. Yep. There you go. There you go, Joe. Import or preview. Let's do preview. Factory node skeleton. Import morph targets. Wow. I was just checking it, but let's go ahead and import it. Is it in there? Oh no, it's importing now. Oh, that's cool. Okay, there were issues with the import. Show message log. Anim sequence. All right, just a minute. Content drawer. Okay, so here are the little dudes, right? This should just plop right in there. Is it? Now, where's the play button? How do you pan? How do you... God dang, these controls suck ass. How do you freaking pan, dude? Selection mode? Oh god dang. I gotta get used to all this. Alright, where's my play bar? Where my play bar? Okay, import asset. Desktop. This is an asset. The import will override the skeletal mesh guns. Do you want to convert this import to a re-import? Yes. There were issues. Oh, well, there's a dude. Oh, come on, get rid of this thing. Get rid of this. I didn't know you could do that. That's kind of cool. Get rid of this. Oh, that is so cool. Wow. All right, so if we can get this thing to move, there's a skeleton, there's a physic asset, and then there's a skeleton mesh. All right, well, we did that. Now, where's the play button? Oh! Oh, those are physics objects. Man, get the frick out of here. Please. That's a simulator, Joe. That's not the play bar. I want to show freaking layers, bruh. Ah! What's this? Okay. What's this? Okay. What's this? Okay. Okay, folks, so we got a lot further than we ever have before. We're going to go ahead and log off here and see if we can do a little bit of research into this, because I'm just happy I got it working. And yeah, we have an account, and we have our editor, and we are logged in under Truebones. Now, I would appreciate it, One Gun, if you don't start all that nonsense about how I'm not legitimate, and quit trying to blackball me. I just got my account back because they're going to be watching you to see if you're the one. But I love you, One Gun. So, I don't know, man. Just, I hope it all goes well for me. I'm coming back to something that I had quit, like a bad habit, you know, because Unreal, UE, and Epic Games has never been good to me. Okay? Never. And then I installed this thing 15 years later, and I pressed the Fab Marketplace store, and it has all assets, characters, and creatures. Now, if I search whale, see, those are simply just Truebones assets. Okay? If I type in cat, those are simply Truebones assets. Illegal. This is all illegal. If I type in elephant, these are all illegal elephants that were just simply, well, they bought it from Truebones, but then they just slapped it up in here, and that is clearly against the terms of use. So I don't know. Okay, so what if you put in Fortnite? Okay, simply put, these are game rips. And this is the same pack of motions that One Gun and Sally Peck said was illegal. But now all of a sudden it's legal? Wait, all of a sudden now it's legal? I guess it's legal then. I didn't say it wasn't. I said it was illegal to take somebody's stuff and sell it. That's all I said. I didn't say Truebones sells stolen stuff. But here, you see that? You see this stylized raven? You can get that for free. There's no reason to spend $10.99. It's only illegal if you don't sell it. I get it, but if you sell it, oh no, we'll just make a lot of money, and that's the American way. Joe, are you saying you don't want them to make money? No. I'm saying they took all my stuff and are making money off of it. So what else is up in here? Let's type in Truebones. Okay, that's fine. Let's put in Mixamo. Okay, so there's 0 Truebones and there's Mixamo. Why are they selling Mixamo Motions. Why? I'm just asking. Why are they selling the Mixamo Motions? I'm just asking. Why can't Truebones be up in there and Mixamo be up there at the same time? No? Okay, let's look for something else. How about Elastigirl? Okay, let's put in Pixar. All right, so they're selling Pixar characters. Okay, no, here's the good one right now. Star Wars. Star Wars compatibility. Animation pack. 100 AAA animations you can watch here. No. These are Truebones and Mixamo. Bro, look, you don't have to buy this. You know why? It's now an AI dataset. You can simply extract the patterns. You can simply extract the patterns. These are all patterns. That's how AI works. It doesn't see 3D like we do. No, it only sees the pattern. I have all these motions. So folks, maybe we should show you, instead of showing you Unreal, maybe we should show you how you can extract the AI information right out of this video and apply it to your 3D models if you want. You see, 3D is not even necessary anymore. You don't need to render. You don't need to HDRI. You don't need to put on a mocap suit. You don't need to do anything, folks. All you need is this movie as an AI data set, and you can turn this into bones if you want. So for them to have a fab store, it's not work. It's stealing. Because they go, nice work. And I already know they didn't do any work. All they did was use Truebones to make this movie. See? Look. You see that? These are Truebones. Stolen Truebones. That's why I don't want you to use them. No, you can get the Truebones straight from Truebones. And if anybody tells you that it doesn't work in UE4, they're just jiving you. Because here it clearly works in UE4 and 5. So all these people that are coming onto my Discord saying, it don't work, they're just making sure that I don't get in their way when they sell the stolen goods. That's called racketeering. So I'm going to have to do some cleaning. Okay, so products. Oh my God, you can multi-select. What else is up in here? What if we separate it like that? Okay, I separated it. Star Wars. Now, why are there game rips up in here, man? This is the only thing I don't understand. They don't want any legitimate stuff up in here. Why? Because if I'm here, they know if I'm here, I'm going to call all of the bullshit out. That's why they would rather just get rid of me. It's called getting rid of the competition. Ninja Star Mocap from Mocap Online. Now that is legit. This is legit. But there's a lot of mocap vendors up in here that have simply just stolen everything. The biker. What is this? What is this? Oh, that's a Mixamo character, man! Look, he's selling a 1999 license! For what? That's from Mixamo, it's free. Dude, see, this is why I don't like dealing with Unreal. They're so sketchy and they're so freaking sus, dude. Extremely sus. Here, I'm going to put in the word game rips and see how much they love to do game rips, okay? Search. Game rip. Look! Oh my god, the whole thing's full of game rips that they're selling. Bro. You put in game rips and that's there, but if you try to put in Truebones, it's not there, so looks like Truebones is pretty clean to me. Gaming assets. This is bullshit. Look at this. It's all bullshit, man. I don't like doing it. I don't like becoming a part of this den of thieves. I don't. I'm only trying to help my customers who use Truebones. But every time I go to do that, I just find people using Truebones, exploiting Truebones, and not being very nice to Truebones. Let's put in R2D2. No? How about just R2? No, it doesn't appear. See, that's what puzzles me. Why isn't there a Star Wars R2D2 up in here? Huh? Huh? Anyways, folks, I'm going to come back, but I'm letting you know I'm back. I'm back in the New York groove. Boom, 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 back. Back in the